welcome back.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EDCNC. My name is Samuel, and today I got another quick little unboxing for you. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Let's just tear right into it. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Boom, there we go. Jumping right into it. I have to blur that. This is something that I was very angry. Sold out. I had them in my cart the first time they dropped, and didn't get a hold of one, and now they released a second run of it, so I'm super excited. This is the bum bag from Carry Commission. Look at that. That's cool. From Carry Commission and Blue Ridge Overland Gear. Carry Commission is a curation of the finest commodity. Oh, so they got them a little card now. So cool. So there you go. There's just a little card from Carry Commission. But yeah, the Blue Ridge Overland Gear and the Carry Commission bum bag triple run. This thing is sweet. I've been wanting to get my hands on it uh, pretty much as soon as they announced it, and missed out on the first run. Had them in my cart, and they were ripped from my cart. I was devastated. I was very angry. But then they had another run, and they sold out within a few hours. So let's jump into this. Let's check it out, and I'll just do a quick overview on it. This is not the review. This is just the unboxing and overview. So what I'd like to look at is maybe like what's going on with it. It seems really well built, out of some nice canvas material. Got your spots for ranger eyes or even attachments, which I'll show you in a minute, for the front to put your gear in. Let's check out the inside. All very nice, like golden color. Yeah, well, that's very nice. Now, I thought these were pockets originally, but I guess I was wrong about that. It's very neat. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, they've got these Velcro spots on the inside, hook and loop, where you can take stuff like this. I found these on Amazon. Carry Commission does not carry these. If you go to Blue Ridge Overland Gear, they sell this bag. It's just not branded with Carry Commission. Same bag. Actually has an orange interior and an orange outline on the inside. Um, but they sell these hook and loop attachments that can go inside of here, just like that. So you can put your gear down in there. So here is a giant mouse ace biblio. Uh, let's just put some bigger stuff in there because that's what it fits. Let's throw a Leatherman in there. How about that? Leatherman fits in that pocket really well. And a Zippo lighter. Put that right down in there. Excuse me. Please work with me. There we go. Check that out. That fits really well in there. And then I've got some on the other side and some on the front if I want to do that. So let's put another one on the inside. This is for smaller stuff. And actually, I'll put that on the outside. Let's put one more big one on the inside. And I'll stagger it a little bit. Now, Blue Ridge, like I said, they sell these on their website. And it wouldn't shock me a bit if they were kind of custom made for the right length and for different things like that. But this is great. This bag can fit a Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Ooh, it's close. I don't know. We'll have to see on that. Yes, it will fit. And let's put... Here's a big old Victorinox. And what's one more thing to put in there? Flashlight. Ray light land. Yeah, so that's perfect. And of course, this bag has no problem zipping up with that small amount of gear in it. But not only that, you can throw all kinds of stuff down in there. If you want to throw your wallet down in there with it. I'm carrying a bifold this week because mine is off getting remade for a buddy that he wanted one like that. But yeah, so now my wallet's in there. I pretty much have a whole EDC in there. And then on the front, I'm more than likely going to put Ranger eyes on it. But it has a great spot for a pin right here in the front, if you just want to put that down in there. Also has a great spot for a flashlight, if you want to put a flashlight down in there. Let's see. I think I've saw, yeah, that fits perfectly. And then I found this one on Amazon as well. Do your research and see, what kinds they have, and they'll fit your everyday carry. But this has got a large pocket smaller pocket, all the way down to like a pen-sized pocket. So if you wanted to put that on there, I'm covering the Carry Commission logo, but this is for demonstration. You can put your pen in there. Of course, I'm overpacking this. I don't actually carry this many, things with me. This many different types of knives and gear with me every day. But then if you want to put your flashlight or small flashlight, whatever there. Actually, let's do this. Flashlight. Say your knife of choice. What else? Victorinox might be stretching this. Yeah, that would stretch it. Tell you what, it's perfect for chapstick. And what else? I don't know. You can fit about anything you want to on here. But the point of the matter is, it's very customizable. Like, I have so much gear in here right now. Like, I have a few everyday carry full kits that I could put in here. Let's see. Is there anywhere else to store stuff on this thing? Very nice zipper pulls. And, of course, it's got the detachable strap. And this thing can kind of turn into a fanny pack if you wanted to. Shoulder bag or fanny pack. And, I mean, you've got a lot of room in there to put whatever else you want. If you don't mind your knives getting scuffed up, you could put a couple more things in there. And, of course, I'm overpacking this thing. I'm just trying to make a point here. Shucks, let's put a slingshot down in there, too. And it zips no problem. So this would be great for, I think I'm going to take this to Blade Show with me. Maybe I want something a little bigger. I don't know. But, I've got all this gear packed in here, and it will go over the shoulder so nicely. I'll throw a little B-roll in here of this thing fitting over the shoulder. But, boy, it is a great-looking bag. And the big thing is it's made in the USA. For $45, you can pick this up on Carry Commission's website. $40 or $45. Now, it doesn't come with any of these. If you want to pick a few of these up, that's going to cost you a little more. But you can do just fine without them if you just want a bag to throw stuff in. Maybe. That would have been perfect, but not quite going to work that way, is it? No. But anyways, you can cram stuff in here. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. And I love that about it. It's just a tiny little bag, not made for carrying, a laptop or a tablet or anything like that. But that's why it's called the bum bag. It's just made for carrying a few things around. So I really like this. Look at all this garbage I've got crammed into it. And it still has room for more. I mean, you want to talk about a purse. This is a man purse right here. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just see how much we can cram in it. See how much of my gear I can scuff up or something. Just keep layering it in there. Let's try that. Oh boy, no problem. No problem at all. So yeah, there's the bum bag from Carry Commission. Excuse me. And Blue Ridge built gear, Blue Ridge Overland gear. Go check them out. If these are out of stock right now, I'm sure he'll have more made as well as they've been received. But if you don't like this color, you don't care for Carry Commission or anything like that, go over to BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com and or maybe type in Blue Ridge Built Gear and check out their bags. They have them possibly, I think, in a few different colors, and they also sell the accessories kind of similar to this with the pockets on it and the hook and loop on the back. But hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing. This is not the review. I'll do a review on it more than likely down the road where I talk a little bit more about it and what use cases I've found for it. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day, and God bless.